Good morning to one and all. Today I am going to discuss with you objective questions means. In the first concept, lines and angles. In the objective questions means I am going to discuss with you that. So in the first question we have, if 2x plus 17 degrees and x plus 4 degrees are complementary angles, then find x value they are asking. Okay, so we know that the sum of the two complementary angles are 90 degrees. Yes, so this angle plus this angle, 2x plus 17 degrees and x plus 4 degrees equal to 90 degrees. Just write down. So 2x plus 17 degrees, 2x plus 17 degrees plus x plus 14 degrees equal to 90 degrees, because these two are complementary angles. Sum of the two complementary angles equal to 90 degrees. Okay, so now, so x plus x, 3x, and 17 plus 14, which is equal to 31 degrees, which is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, 17 plus 4, 21 degrees, which is equal to 90 degrees. So 3x equal to 90 degrees minus 21 degrees. So 90 minus 21, which is equal to 69 degrees. 3x equal to how many degrees? 69 degrees. X is equal to 69 degrees by 3. 3 ones are 3, 23s are. X is equal to how many degrees? 23 degrees. Okay. Similarly, next, if a plus 20 degrees equal to b plus 30 degrees equal to 90 degrees, then complement of a equal to, complement of a comma b is. Okay, so from the given question we can write it as, so a plus 20 degrees equal to b plus 30 degrees equal to 90 degrees the given. From this we can write a plus 20 degrees equal to 90 degrees and b plus 30 degrees equal to 90 degrees. We can write like this. Now a plus 20 equal to 90. Then if you transpose this 20 right side, a equal to 90 degrees minus 20 degrees. 90 minus 20 how much? 70 degrees. A equal to how many degrees? 70 degrees. B plus 30 equal to 90. B equal to 90 degrees minus 30 degrees. So where B equal to 60 degrees we have. B equal to how many degrees? 60 degrees. Now complement of A equal to how much? 70. So complement of A equal to, that is 90 minus 70 degrees, which is equal to 20 degrees. Next, complement of B. What is B value? 60. Complement of B, nothing, that is nothing but a 90 minus 60 degrees, which is equal to 30. So therefore the complement angles of A and B are 20 comma 30 degrees. Okay, so that is the answer for that. So for that, what is the correct option? Option 1 is the correct option for this. Option 1 is the correct option for the first question. What is the correct option? Option 4. For this first question, option 4 is the correct option. Next question I am going to discuss. Stop. Okay. Now I am going to discuss with you third question, that if 5y plus 62 degrees and 5y plus 22 degrees are supplementary angles, then find y value. Okay. So we should know that what is the sum of the two supplementary angles. The sum of the two supplementary angles equal to 180 degrees. So according to that, if we add these two angles, we should get 180. So make them equal to 180. Y plus 62 degrees plus y plus 22 degrees equal to 180 degrees, because these are supplementary. Sum of the two supplementary angles equal to 180 degrees. Okay, we know that the sum of the two supplementary angles are 180. So 5y plus 5, 5y plus y, 6y, and 62 plus 22, 84 degrees, which is equal to 180 degrees. Now 6y equal to 180 degrees minus 84. This plus 84, if you transpose the right side, it becomes minus 84 degrees. So 6y equal to 96 degrees. Y equal to 96 by 6. 6 ones are 6, 16s are. So y is equal to how many degrees? 16 degrees. Okay. So which is the correct option for that? Okay, for third question, first option is the correct option. Option 1. Option 1 is the correct option. Now fourth question. If angle x equal to 30 degrees and angle y equal to 115 degrees, where angle x and angle A are complementary and angle y and angle B are supplementary, then angle A plus angle B, how much they are asking. So here he given that angle A and angle x are complementary angles. So if the two angles are complementary, the sum of the two complementary angles equal to 90 degrees. So from that, angle A plus angle x be equal to 90 degrees, because these two they given complementary angles. Complementary angles they given in the question. The two angles are complementary angles. Angle A we need to find. Angle x, how much they given? 30 degrees. Angle A plus 30 degrees equal to 90 degrees. Angle A equal to 90 degrees minus 30 degrees, which is equal to 60 degrees. Angle A is how much? 60 degrees. Next, angle y and angle B are supplementary angles. So we can write if the sum of the two supplementary angles equal to 180 degrees. Angle y plus angle B equal to 180 degrees, because these two are supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. Next, angle y is how much they given? 115 degrees they given. Angle B equal to 180 degrees. Angle B equal to 180 degrees minus 115. This 115 if you transpose right side, so minus 115. 180 minus 115, which is equal to 65 degrees. Angle B is how much? 65 degrees. Angle A is how much? 60 degrees. So what we need to find? Angle A plus angle B. So therefore angle A plus angle B equal to 60 plus 65 degrees, which is equal to 125 degrees. Okay, 125 degrees. What is the correct option we have? Okay, so which is the correct option for that? Option 3. Option 3 is the correct option for this. Now I am going to discuss with you fifth question, that x equal to y by 3. If x equal to y by 3 equal to z by 4 equal to 25 degrees, then the value of x plus y plus z is asking. Okay, so from the given equation we can write first. So the given equation is x is equal to y by 3 equal to z by 4 equal to 25 degrees. Yes, so we can write this is as, from this, x is equal to 25 degrees. Okay, and y by 3 equal to, we can write 25 degrees. Y by 3 also 20 by 3, and z by 4 also 25. Z by 4 equal to 25 degrees. We can write. So if x is equal to 25 degrees, directly we obtain x value. And if y by 3 equal to 25 degrees, then y is equal to 25 degrees into 3. 25 degrees into 3, y equal to how many degrees? 75 degrees. And next, z by 4 equal to 25 degrees, z equal to 25 into 4 degrees, which is equal to z equal to 100 degrees. Okay, now we obtain x value, y value, z value. So we can find x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z equal to 25 degrees plus 75 degrees plus 100 degrees. So x plus 25 plus 75 plus 100, that is equal to 200 degrees. So x plus y plus z, how many degrees? 200 degrees. What is the correct option for that? Option, which is the correct option for that? We have option 3. Option 3 is the correct option. Okay, so next, seventh question we are going to discuss. AOB is a line segment. AOB is a line segment, and OC, OD are also line segments. OC and OD are also line segments. Then the value of A we need to find. So from the given question we need to find the A value. So if see from the figure, we can say that is angle BOC plus angle COD plus angle DOA equal to 180 degrees. these three angles measures straight angle. Yes, so we can write that is BOC, angle BOC plus angle COD plus angle DOA equal to 180 degrees, because these three measures straight angle. Why these three angles measures 180 degrees? These three angles measures 180 degrees. Angle BOC is how much? A. Angle COD is A plus 10 degrees. And angle DOA is A plus 20 degrees, which is equal to 180 degrees. A plus A plus A. So A plus A plus A, we can write 3A plus 10 degrees plus 20 degrees, 30 degrees, which is equal to 180 degrees. A plus 30 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Then 3A equal to 180 degrees. This 30 you can transpose right side, minus 30 degrees will come. So 3A equal to how many degrees? 150 degrees. Then A equal to 150 degrees by 3. 3 ones are 350s are. So A equal to how many degrees? 50 degrees. What is the correct option for seventh question? What is the correct option for that? Option 3. For this, option 3 is the correct option. Okay. Okay. Now I am going to discuss with you sixth question that they given to us. If 3 by 5x plus 30 degrees equal to 90 degrees and 5 by 6y minus 20 degrees equal to 180 degrees and z by 3 plus z by 5 equal to 40 degrees and 4a equal to 360 degrees, then the angles x, y, z, a are. So x, y, z are angles we need to find here. So here from this we can write 3 by 5x equal 3 by 5x plus 30 degrees equal to 90 degrees. 3 by 5x, this 30 degrees transpose right side, it becomes 90 degrees minus 30 degrees. So 3 by 5x equal to 60 degrees we can write. So x is equal to, if you transpose this 3 by 5 right side, it becomes reverse, reciprocal will come. So it becomes 5 by 3. 60 into 5 by 3. So is there any cancellation? Check. 3 ones are 3 20s are. So 20 into 5 how much? 100 degrees. 25 is 100 degrees. X is equal to how much? 100 degrees. Next, 5 by 6y minus 20 degrees transpose right side, it becomes 180 degrees plus 20 degrees. So 180 plus 20, 200 degrees. 5 by 6 y equal to 200 degrees and y equal to 200 into this 5 by 6, when you're transposing right side, it becomes 6 by 5. Okay, y is equal to 200 into okay, so 5 by 6 y equal to 200 degrees, then y is equal to 200 into 5 by 6 becomes reciprocal. So 200 into 6 by 5 is, check whether any cancellation or not. So 5 ones are 5 40s are. So that is y equal to 40 degrees into 6. 40 into 6 how much? 240 degrees. Y is equal to how many degrees? 240 degrees. So 240 degrees, which type of angle? A reflex angle. What is this angle? A reflex angle. And here 100 degrees is which type of angle? Obtuse angle. Which type of angle it is? Obtuse angle. Next, third one, z by 3 plus z by 5. So when we are adding the different denominators, so we should convert them into the like decimal, like fractions. So LCM of 3 comma 5 equal to 15. So to get 15 into 5 into 5. So 5 into z by 3 into 5. 5 into 3. Okay, plus into 3 into 3 into z by 3 into 5 equal to 40 degrees. Yes, so 5 into z, 5z by 15 plus 3 into z, 3z by 15 equal to 40 degrees. So 5z plus 3z how much? 8z by 15 equal to 40 degrees. So this z is equal to, this we can write as 8 by 15 into z, yes, equal to 40 degrees. This z is equal to 8 by 15. If you transpose right side, it becomes reciprocal. 40 degrees into 15 by 8. So 8 ones are 8 fives are. 5 into 15, 75. Z is equal to how many degrees? 75 degrees. 75 degrees, which type of angle? Acute angle. Which type of angle it is? Acute angle. Next, 4A equal to the given. 4A equal to 360 degrees, the given. Okay. So 4A equal to 360 degrees by 4. 4 ones are 4 90s are. So A equal to how many degrees? 90 degrees. A equal to how many degrees? 90 degrees. So 90 degrees is which type of angle? Right angle. Which type of angle? Right angle it is. Okay. So which is the correct option for this? Obtuse angle, reflex angle, acute angle, right angle. Option 2 is the correct option. What is the correct option for the sixth question? Option 2. Okay. Now I am going to discuss with you 8th question, that PQ and RS intersect at O. So this PQ and RS intersect at O, and given POS, angle POS equal to 2x plus 30 degrees and angle ROQ equal to 3x minus 10 degrees. So then find the value of x. So if these two, by seeing from the figure, so angle POS and angle ROQ are vertically opposite angles. So the vertically opposite angles are always equal. So from the figure we can write angle POS equal to angle ROQ, because these two are vertically opposite angles. Yes. So if these two are vertically opposite angles, so this 2x plus 30 degrees equal to 3x minus 10 degrees. POS is how much? 2x plus 30 degrees. And ROQ is how much? 3x minus 10 degrees. So just we can transpose now 2x right side minus 10 left side. So minus 10 becomes plus 10. So 10 degrees plus 30 degrees equal to 3x. This plus 2x becomes minus 2x. So 10 degrees plus 30 degrees, 40 degrees equal to 3x minus 2x, x, 1x, that is x. So x value is how much we got? 40 degrees. Next, 9th question we have AB, CD and EF are parallel lines. So AB is parallel to CD is parallel to EF. If BAC is 135 degrees and CEF equal to 130 degrees, then find angle ACE. We need to find this total angle. Okay. So from the figure we can write here. So this AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD is the given. And if we assume CA is a transversal line, then CAB, BAC and ACB, the sum of these two angles are equal to 180 degrees, because these two are co-interior angles. The co-interior angles between the two parallel lines is 180 degrees. So BAC plus ACB, ACD equal to 180 degrees. So here from the figure we can write, okay, solution we can write in this manner. AB is parallel to CD, and what is the transversal? AC is the transversal. AC is the transversal. Then angle BAC plus ACD equal to 180 degrees, because these two are co-interior angles. Which type of angles? Co-interior angles. Okay. So BAC is how much? 135 degrees plus angle ACD equal to 180 degrees. So now angle ACD equal to this 135 transpose right side, it becomes minus 135 degrees, which is equal to 180 degrees minus 135 degrees is equal to 45 degrees. Angle ACD is how much? 45 degrees. In the same manner, we have CD is parallel to EF, and if CE is a transversal line, if these two lines are parallel, if CE is the transversal line, then these two angles are equal to, the sum of these two angles equal to 180 degrees. Here these two angles also co-interior angles. Yes. So similarly, if CD is parallel to EF and CE is the transversal line, then DCE DCE angle and angle CEF. Sum of these two angles equal to 180 degrees. Yes. Okay. See now. CD is parallel to EF, and which is the transversal line? CE is the transversal line. CE is the transversal. Then we can write DCE, angle DCE plus angle CEF. Angle CEF equal to 180 degrees, because these two are co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. Okay. So DCE, we don't know. DCE plus CEF, how much they given? 130 degrees they given. That is equal to 180 degrees. DCE plus DCE equal to this 180, you can, this 130 you can transpose right side. 180 minus 130, which is equal to 50 degrees. Okay. So from the figure we can say that angle ACE equal to angle ACD plus angle DCE. Yes. Angle, this total angle equal to angle ACD plus angle DCE. We can write now. That is angle ACE equal to, that is from the figure, angle ACD plus angle DCE. Okay. Angle ACD is how much? How much we obtained? 45 degrees. Plus angle DCE, how much we obtained? 50 degrees. So 45 plus 50 degrees equal to 95 degrees. Therefore, we can write angle ACE equal to how many degrees? 95 degrees. Which is the correct option for this? Okay. For 9th question, which is the correct option? Option 1. And for 8th question, what is the correct option? For 8th question. So, x is equal to 40. Here, for 8th question, option 3 is the correct option. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Now, I am going to discuss with you 10th question. If x by 2 equal to y by 3 equal to k and x plus y equal to 90 degrees, then the angles of x and y are. So, we need to find x and y in this question. So, from the given equation that, so x by 2 equal to y by 3 equal to k the given. So, from this we can write x by 2 equal to k and y by 3 equal to k we can write. Okay. And so, x by 2 equal to k means then x is equal to k into 2. That is 2 into k we can write x is equal to 2k, and here y is equal to 3 into k. So, here we can write y is equal to 3k. So, one more clue, what they given? X plus y equal to how many degrees? 90 degrees they given. So, x is how much? We have x is equal to 2k. So, 2k plus y is equal to how much? 3k. So, 2k plus 3k equal to 90 degrees. 2k plus 3k is how much? 5k equal to 90 degrees. Then k equal to 90 degrees by 5. 5 ones are 5 18s are. K equal to how many degrees? 18 degrees. Now x is equal to, we need to find x and y value. X is equal to how much? 2k. 2k means 2 into k. 2 into k. K is how much? 18 degrees. 2 into 18. 2 18s are 36 degrees. Next y is equal to 3k. So 3 into k. So 3 into 18 degrees, which is equal to 54 degrees. Y is equal to how much? 54 degrees. Okay. So what is the correct option do we have for that? Okay. So for this, option 2 is the correct option. 36, 54 degrees. Next. Now I am going to discuss with you that 9th question. In a given figure, AB is parallel to CD. Here AB is parallel to CD and angle ABM equal to 50 degrees and angle CDM equal to 35 degrees. Then the measure of angle BMD. We need to find BMD, this total angle. Okay. So to find that, we need to do some construction. Through the M parallel to the AB, we need to draw one line. That is, I drawn here EF. EF is parallel to AB and passing to the M. we know that is AB is parallel to CD and EF is parallel to AB. Then EF is parallel to CD also. Yes, AB is parallel to CD and AB is parallel to EF. Then EF is also parallel to CD. So that condition. So by using that condition, see from the figure, if AB is parallel to CD, AB is parallel to CD. Okay, here AB is parallel to CD and BM is a transversal. If BM is a transversal line, then this angle equal to this angle, we can say now. These two angles are which type of angles? Alternate interior angles. Yes, alternate interior angles are equal. If it is 50 degrees, this becomes also 50. Yes, so by using that condition, let us see here. AB is parallel to EF and which is the transversal? BM is the transversal. BM is the transversal line. Then if BM is a transversal line, then angle ABM equal to we can write BME, angle BME, because alternate interior angles. Which type of angles these two are? Alternate interior angles. Then angle BME we can write BME equal to BME means this angle. This angle equal to how much? 50 degrees. Okay. So this is, you can put in the box. Next, we know that is EF is parallel to CD. EF is parallel to CD and DM is a transversal. If DM is a transversal, then this angle equal to this angle. Now, these two angles are which type of angles? Alternate interior angles. Yes, we can write. EF is parallel to CD. EF is parallel to CD. And which is a transversal? DM. DM is a transversal. DM is the transversal. Then we can write angle CDM equal to angle DMF. Because why these two angles are equal? Alternate interior angles. So DMF equal to we can write 35 degrees. Okay. So from the figure, angle we need to find BMD. Yes, angle BMD equal to, we can write that angle BMF plus angle DMF. So angle BMD equal to this angle plus this angle. This angle is BMF. This angle is DMF. So BMF is how much? 50 degrees and DMF is 35 degrees, which is equal to 85 degrees. Okay. Angle BMD equal to, therefore angle BMD equal to how many degrees? 85 degrees. So which is the correct option for this? Option 4. Option 4 is the correct option.